Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amankelді Aisha. I'm a 9th grade student of Ынтымақ Junior Education School. Today, I would like to present my project about my future profession is electronical engineers. About the profession, electronics engineers is about designing and using to the devices like computers, phones, and robotics. Engineers is work with circuits and sensors to create more solutions for medicine, daily life, and education. Areas of application is smart homes, sensors, systems, and robotics, and the medical devices. Future relevance. First is the growth of future relevance. Is the demand of electronics and electrical engineers worldwide is expected to grow by about 7% between 2026 and 2034, which is higher than the average growth for our professions. Second, energy efficiency is as resources decrease, creating a highly efficient electronics that consume very little energy becomes a two priority. Third, the smart systems, houses, cars, and factories are becoming connected smart systems. Every sensor and the microcontroller is a work of an electronical engineers. Skills required to be an electronics engineer for logical thinking is required for planning how a device works, improving system efficiency, and identifying digital faults. Second, physics and mathematics is necessary for understanding the operation principles of electrical circuits, the technical parameters of a device, and for performing calculations. Third, programming for controlling the operation of automated systems, apportioning signals from sensors, and creating the correct operation algorithm for a device if necessary. Fourth, fundamentals of electronics is necessary for ensuring the interaction of sensors, motors, and microcontrollers, and for designing electronic circuits. Famous figures in electronical engineers. First one is Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla, Neuralink, and SpaceX, and an active engineer in modern electronical and robotics. He is known for the contributions to the development of electric vehicles and innovative technologies. A second is Nikola Tesla, a prominent engineer in electronical and electric engineering. He developed the alternating current AC system, revolutionizing the generation and the transformation of electrical energy. For my automatic shading system that responds to sunlight is my work process. A project goal to create an intelligent system that automatically responds to sunlight and generates as in a battery. This system is designed to protect people from the sun, open spaces, and safe work. Sun-sensitive plants. In addition, the project demonstrates the future importance of the profession. The materials I asked, the first one is pulse width modulation controller, is LED resistor and base resistor, heat shrink tube, wiring, battery, tin nugget, soldering iron, power adapter, and polyvinyl chloride, and the box. How it works? The automatic shading system works as follows. LED sensor detects the sunlight and sends a signal to the system. Second, the system activates the motor. The motor which moves the panel to provide shade. Third, when sunlight decreases, the motor stops and the panel returns to the original position. My project conclusion, the project presents automatic shading system that responds to sunlight. It's designed to create for comfortable environment for people and protect plants that are sensitive to direct sunlight. In the future, such automatic systems can be added in homes, parks, or industrial areas as smart homes, technologies, robotics, and automated productions continue to develop. This demonstrates the growing importance of the electronics engineers profession in the future. How it works? Our resistor detects sunlight and sends a signal to the system. Second, the system activates the motor, which moves the panel to provide shade. When sunlight decreases, the motor stops it and the panel returns to its original position. Thanks for your attention.